Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura impressa J6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we pretty much replace the water pump, the one that you see right here, and we also had to replace the member flow of the water pump as well. I was not getting a good flow out of the water pump, and it was just basically clogging up the whole system. That one as well kind of killed the older pump. We also did tune up the machine. We replaced the O-ring from the infuser as well as deep clean pretty much everything inside, and I have a couple of pictures of the machine, but first we're gonna test it out starting with a shot of espresso, and then we will see the condition of the machine. For infusion. As you can see, good water flow, good color, and good crema coming out of the machine. Good shot of espresso. Now we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. As you can see, hot water working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream of hot water and a good temperature as well. And now we're gonna use the steamer. It's gonna take a little bit to heat up and get up to pressure, but then you're gonna see it working. The condition of the machine before was kind of bad. I mean, there were some spider webs inside, and the infuser was pretty dirty, so we pretty much ended up cleaning everything in the whole thing. The grinder had a bunch of really clogged coffee and a bunch of really old stuff in there, so yeah, it was in bad shape, but we pretty much cleaned everything of the machine. And now for the steamer, and as you can see, working perfectly fine, having great pressure, and that's the way it's programmed to be just a couple of seconds. It can be programmed to be a little bit more longer, depending how much time of the machine. I didn't have this perfectly set up. Recently just blew up. We'll just try again just to make sure. And there you have it, working perfectly fine. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.